Hello everyone. Yesterday we introduced reference angle, and before we also mentioned something about the angle rotation diagram and also coterminal angle. Based on the work you guys did yesterday, I noticed there are some mistakes we might need to clarify one more time. So in this video, I'm going to give you several examples to review how to draw the rotation diagram for the angle and also how do we determine the coterminal angle, and we are going to do one more example for the reference angle. So let's check. First of all, let's see. I noticed many of you did a very good job regarding draw the rotation diagram. However, if we come to the angle like very big angle, there might be a mistake. So let's check. Let's check one example here. Let's say I want to do let's say 780 degree. So when we draw this, first we notice this is a positive angle, so we know we're starting with initial ray, and then we are going to draw, rotate counterclockwise. The way I do that is I figure out how many rotation I might need to do. Since it's 780 degree, I know one full rotation is going to be 360 degree, right? So we know this one is going to be related to one rotation is not enough. Two rotation, then two is going to be 720. So that means after full rotation, we need to do more. How more is 60 degree. You can do the subtraction like 780 minus 720 degree equal to 60. Then that will be how much more you need to draw. Okay, so that will be some information we are going to focus. So let's go back to draw this angle. So we can just put a side note here as we can put a side note here is 780 minus 720 is 60. So that will be how much more after we draw full rotation. So one full rotation, not enough. Two full rotation, not enough. 60 more. And also the final ray, we call the terminal ray, starts with vertex, which is origin, and then make sure you label everything here 780. Okay, and then we come to coterminal angle. Coterminal meaning I need to share the same terminal ray. So let's highlight which side is terminal ray, which is this one, right? So which one is, since this is a coterminal terminal ray, I just need to draw the angle and I can share this one, share this ray. So let's check one example. Let's just use this color. So some students already noticed, how about I just start from here? Then this is how many degree here? 60. Yes. So coterminal angle for this case can be 60 degree. Some student might say, I don't choose this one. How about I choose negative? So you go from initial ray and then go here. So that will be negative, how many degree then? 320. Because a whole full circle is 360, I miss the 60 degree. Its pieces is going to be negative 300. So all these angles can be coterminal angle for this. And some student might even wonder, is that possible to have more answer? Actually, coterminal angle has infinity answers. As long as you just keep going rotation, either clockwise or counterclockwise, as long as you share the same coterminal ray, the terminal ray with original angle, they are all called coterminal angle. And also you can see the terminal ray here falls in quadrant 1. Okay, so that's something we can do that. Let's do one more example. So this time let's draw an angle is, let's deal with a little bit smaller angle, 130 degree. So when we deal 130 degree here, we know we start from with initial ray here. And also since it's, let's do negative this time. This is negative, so we are going to draw counterclockwise. And half of circle is 180, so I know it's going to be not reach 180 yet. It's going to be look like that. Okay, so this is negative 30. And some student might wonder, what is coterminal angle then? Coterminal angle, again, you can go from the positive side. You can also rotate the same direction, but with one more flotation or two more flotation, that's all fine. So let's do a positive. Positive is we start from initial, and then we come here. So that's positive, but how many degrees then? Remember, you always think about this, the whole circle is 360, so the other side is going to be 230. So coterminal angle for this case can be 230 degrees. And some student might wonder, I want to deal with another negative one. Yes, we can. So for the negative, you might wonder, keep thinking, since this is negative 30, 130, and then if I go another full rotation, meaning I'm going to draw another 360, like this. So I still gonna touch this one, but how many degree? So my way I think about this one is 360 plus 130. This is gonna be 490. But since I'm rotating in clockwise direction, so this is just negative 490. So that's basically how do we do that. You can definitely use multiple ways to figure out coterminal angle. Make sure to find a way that works for you, and always practice how to draw a rotation diagram that will help you visualize this process. Let's check some more example about reference angle, then we're done here. So for reference angle, let's do something here. Let's do one more example. Let's see, I want to find out the reference angle for 340 degree. First, let's draw that. We're starting with the initial ray, positive side of x-axis, and also since this is a positive angle, we go positive clockwise, counterclockwise. But as you can see, the whole full circle is 360 degree. This is almost reached that. So we are going to draw a little bit long. We're going to stop here. So this is going to be 340 degree. So now, reference angle always tell me several things. First, it's acute. Second, it's positive. Also, it formed by terminal ray and x-axis. Some students might wonder, should I go here? If you go here, that it is part of x-axis, but the angle you form here is not acute, so we should go here. And the way I think this is always use either 180 or like half circle or the full circle to figure out how much more or which part is missing. Since it's 340 degree, I'm missing 20 degree here to make a full circle, so I know this reference angle is 20 degree. If we do more here, it's gonna be the same story. So let's do a negative angle as one more example, and we are done here. So let's do negative 400 degree. Okay, so negative 400 degree. The first thing we are going to think is first it's starting with initial ray, and since it's negative, we go clockwise. But since apparently this is already, so you just check the number itself, it's already more than 360, right? So how much more? Yes, you can do the subtraction, you will figure out it's 40 degree. So my way to think that is, I know it's gonna draw clockwise, but I just need to figure out how much more I need to go after one full rotation. Yes, which is 40 degree. So let's draw one full rotation, 360 and more, 40 degree. Then I need to draw here. So this is negative 400 degree. Again, I need to figure out where is terminal ray and x-axis. They're actually very similar to here, right? So it's going to be this space. Again, so my way to think, but I'm telling you, there are so many ways to figure out the reference angle. Once you understand the concept, you know the definition and the original idea of the reference angle, then you can always explore how many ways that works for you. Okay, so I'm going to, the way I think is, since one full circle is 360, I know I just draw 40-degree more to figure out the answer. So reference angle here is 40 degrees. So let's write it down. Reference angle is 40 degree. Okay, that's basically how do we do that. Hopefully this, I hope this video is helpful. If you do realize there is a mistake you made before, you can go back to revise the mistakes and resubmit again. Okay, everyone stay home, stay safe, take care.